Going down to feed the horsies down the treacherous steps. And there's the horsies, which I've already found they like to eat right out of the pan. So you gotta be careful. Here you go, babies. Hi. Say hi to Nathan. You want to have a little food? You want a little snack right out of the pan? They're all small size for you. Just try one. Hold on, little guys. There you go. Try some in the pan. There you go. Ooh. There you go. Okay, let me feed the babies. Hold on, we gotta get the babies some. Here you go, little guys. You want one of the apples? Hold on. Hold on, sweetheart. Okay, here's an apple. Okay, let me gotta share. There we go. There you go. Did you guys get a piece? Here you go, little ones. Hold on. There's plenty. You guys got to get the ones on the ground. There you go. There you go. Here, try just to take like 2 pieces. There, that works better. Hold on. Okay, now we're going to have to do this by hand. Here you go, little guys. They're down here. Hey, terrible hoofs. Hi. Hi. Say hi to Nathan. Hi. Hi. Oh, don't drool in my hair. Here's yours. She's glurbing on my head. Here's one for you. Okay, hold on. Here's one for you. Ooh. I'm a little sloppy here. Here you go. Yeah, some of that went in your mouth. Say goodbye. Say goodbye, everybody. Say goodbyes. I'm getting out of the cage. Hi.